Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of creating a brand new Instagram account, and if you are creating on an iOS device, you can follow the same steps too. So, if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's move to my mobile screen. The first thing we need to do is to download the Instagram application on your mobile. Open the Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Go to the search bar and type Instagram. Go ahead, but if you have already downloaded it, then update it. Otherwise, click on the install button. Now, wait some time for it to get downloaded. Alright friends, my Instagram application is now downloaded, so just click on the open button. Now click on create a new account at the bottom. You can use your mobile number as well as your email ID to create an account. However, I am going to create through my email ID. You can choose either one of these. Now enter your email address here, then click on the Next button. After that, you will receive a verification code in your Gmail, and if you are creating an account through your mobile number, then you will receive a code on your mobile. Let's first copy the code received in the email or mobile. Alright guys, enter the received code in this box, then just click on the Next button. Now friends, create a strong password here that should be a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters, and write it down somewhere or take a screenshot so this will be used for future login. Then just click on the Next button. Now it is asking you if you want to save your password to Google Password Manager. According to me, you must save your passwords to Google Password Manager, so click on Save and move ahead. On this page, it is asking to save your login info to this device. It means you will not need to enter your password next time when you log into this device, so just click on the Save option. Now friends, select your date of birth here, which must be older than 13 years. You can select any random birth date older than 13 years. After that, click the Next button. Here, enter your name. You can enter any name, whether it is your business name, your YouTube channel name, or any random name you choose. I am using my YouTube channel name. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. After that, just click on the Next button. Now here set your username. You keep in mind that it will appear on top of your Instagram profile. Most of the times it shows just like this username is not available, which means that this username has been taken by another person. So add some letter or symbols after your name, and when it shows available, then just click on Next button and then click on I agree button. Here you have to wait for at least 1 minute. It will automatically redirect you to the next page, but I am fast forwarding it. Alright friends, now on this page, you need to add your profile picture. So, click on Add Picture, and then click on Choose from Gallery. However, you can also choose from 2 other options to add your profile picture, but right now I am selecting from my gallery. After that, click on Allow All on this pop-up page, and then select your photo. After selecting your photo, customize it as you need. Now, before clicking on Done, if you enable this button, then this profile picture will also be posted on your Instagram page. But for now, I am not posting this photo to my page, so I will just click on Done. After this, you have to wait for a few seconds, and now you can see that it says Welcome to Instagram. On this page, just tap on the Next button. Now Instagram asks if you want to allow your contacts. One thing I want to tell you is that if you want to create a secret Instagram profile that none of your relatives and friends can know about, or if you want to show this page to relatives, then click on Allow. But I don't want to reveal this profile to my contacts, so I click on Don't Allow. Then, on the Get Facebook Suggestion page, click on the Skip button and again click on Skip on this pop-up page. One more time, you have to click on the Skip option. But if you want to show this profile to your friends and relatives, then don't click the Skip option before all 3 steps. Instead of this, click on the Allow button. Now friends, Instagram shows some celebrities' account suggestions that you may follow, or you can skip this from the top right corner. On this page, click on the Next button to turn on notifications. After this, on this pop-up page, just click on Allow option. You can see that your Instagram account is almost ready. We just have to learn how to add an Instagram bio and how to post reels and photos to the profile. So to add a bio, click on your profile icon on the right below, and then click on the Edit Profile button below your profile. Here, tap on the bio box and then enter Who are you? A student, professor, businessman, or do you belong to any other profession? Just enter it. However, I am a YouTuber, so I have written YouTuber in my bio. After that, just click on this tick sign and then go back after it is updated. Now, scroll a little bit and tap on the gender option. Select your gender here, and then click on this tick icon to save it and go back to the main page. Now, let's find out how to post reels and photos to the profile. To do this, click on this plus icon, and now you can post your reels, photos, and stories from here. You can also go live on Instagram by just clicking on the live button. This is how anyone can create a brand new Instagram account by following these simple steps. If you have any queries, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Lastly, thanks for watching, friends.